Wow.
What you got to say for the vlog?
What's up, bud?
Oh.
Yo.
What up?
Oh, it's fucking beautiful.
I mean, they look alright.
They do look kind of alright.
Ooh, yeah. Well, all right, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. Ain't no rules, ain't no vow. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. We're the living sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming. To think that jamming was a thing of the we're jamming. And I hope this jam is gonna last. No bullet can stop us now. We need to beg, no, we won't bow. Neither can be bought nor sold.
Alex, why are you so far out?
The sky turns to a different shade of blue after the rain. My mind turns to a different point of view after the rain. Ooh, my mind. Ooh, my mind. I know, like the ocean needs the moon to take the tides away. All we need's a little time to chase the blues away. Sun is out and it feels like it's always gonna stay. Let this last forever, turn tomorrow into yesterday.
Oh my god. I'm gonna fall off my board. I just don't think it's casual. I'll try. Oh yeah. Oh shit! Holy shit! Ah, wonderful. Look at this sunrise, dude. Bro, I'm like all those YouTubers I see on YouTube. It's like raw footage. Raw footage. Raw piece. Number 2. Oh yeah, no. Oh, that was right to the balls, bro. Holy fuck. What you gotta say to the vlog, bro? Bro.
No, like the ocean needs the moon to take the tide.
Alright, it is 8:01 and we are going to go to school. We are fitted out.
So fitted.
We are fitted out. And so yeah, we're probably gonna go get Chick-fil-A.
So
but
yeah.
It was a good session.
Amazing, beautiful.
I have a GoPro. Are you ready for after school
I'm
service?
so ready.
Second session,
I'm psyched.
and we are amping.
Epic.
Yes. Right. Oh boy,
Oh, God.
that is not a great
Oh,
sign.
God.
It's
I
okay.
feel like we saw this one. Too.
Oh, I actually can't walk, bro.
My legs are starting to look a little bit. Do you want me to like?
I do got a gate.
I don't know. Ow! Alright, guys, it's Mark here. The jetty kind of sucked, so we're leaving, and we're gonna head to Pendleton. Again, yeah. Hoping it's like less choppy, which it might be. So it's probably not gonna be.
It's okay.
But it's
All right. Both Croatan Jetty and Croatan Pendleton were busts. So we're going to grub at Whiskey Kitchen. And I don't even know what that is, but it sounds fancy. So yeah. So we're at Jose Tequila's.
Yeah, we are.
Because Whiskey Kitchen is packed. And Mexican sounds really good right now. So we're at Jose Tequila's. 4:47. This is day 2. We got our blue. Day number 2. Pre-session.
Yo, what up, what up, what up?
What up, Cam?
Yeah, look.
So attentive.
Parties. Oh, it's
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We
The waves today, guys.
Mid.
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 We got like 6
I
clips.
got barreled a couple times, but like, don't. Yeah.
Threw a couple of airs, but
I did throw air. Not with my board, just myself.
To